Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look mostly on the Great British Pound, and I will explain you why. So actually, on the euro currency, we have right now a bit tricky situation. If you visit our forum today, then you probably should see the post from our Elliott Wave expert, the Stag. He thinks that the turnaround may be somewhere near, and it's right near the corner, and that has made me to take the more careful look at what we have on the euro currency. And currently, guys, I don't want to take the short position on the euro currency by a simple reason. So take a look at the daily euro. We see here the market stands in ABCD action to the downside, and yes, we have talked about this market should continue to move a bit lower. That indeed has happened. So the grabber has been erased that we've got on a weekly chart. But actually, and by following this logic, now market stands at the weekly pivot support one near the lows. But following our logic, market should continue to move lower and hit the OP target, because the COP already has been passed. No supports here stand, and by this logic, market should complete the ABCD patch, and maybe this indeed will happen. But one thing that I see right now on the dollar index holds me from the taking and keeping the short position, at least for 1-2 sessions, just to wait for clarity. Why? Because if you take a look at the dollar index, the December contract, you will see that on the dollar index, the OP target already has been hit, and market is turning down. And take a look. That is also the wash and rinse. That what we would like to see on the euro. In fact, we've got on the dollar index, and the dollar index has shown the wash and rinse of this top. Think about this top as the bottom on the euro currency. So the setup that we have discussed is completed, but not on the euro and on the dollar index. And since on the dollar it's already has been completed, it really reduced the attractiveness of the dealing with the euro currency right now, because it really stands very tricky. Because if the major retracement now will start, euro could show the upward action prior the hitting of this OP. Who knows? Maybe later its downward action will reestablish and market finally will hit the OP. But the combination of the setup that we have on the dollar index and on the euro, it's a bit not really very fascinating. And in the current duality of the situation, personally, I do not have any wish to take the short position here on the euro. That's why, waiting for some clarity on the euro, I think that we could take a look at the cable. So if we'll take a look at the Great British Pound, here we have the setup that we have discussed recently, 2 days ago. We said take a look on the meaningful retracement on the cable. Maybe it will happen when the market hits XOP, maybe before that, but anyway, that could become the good stop for taking the short position with the bread and butter sell. Indeed, we have the thrust down, is very good thrusting action to the downside. If we'll take these candles, will be 8 candles. Without this one, starting from that point, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's not 8 but 7 candles, but these candles you can see is rather big, and most all of them have the tail closing. So I think that this thrust down is very suitable for taking the scalp short position. So as you know, the target of the brand body is the 618 support of the whole upper direction against the thrust. For taking the position, we need to see that market will hit the major resistance. So first resistance that we have stands at 129. What is more interesting, guys, recall what we have talked when we talked about this OP. When we talked about the bearish situation, we said the market has passed through the OP without no respect. Since this was not just the OP, this was the fib level as well. So that was agreement support with the major fib level, and it has been passed as it now exists. Very often in these situations, as I said, market could retest this area from the opposite side. So usually the agreement areas and the strong confidence areas that have been passed without no respect could be retested, but after breakout from the opposite side. And that's what we see right now on the market. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, our minor butterfly has been completed, as well as XOP target with our ABCD pattern. We have traded it 2 days ago. Now take a look. We have the bullish reversal here. Market is breaking channel, moving to the upside and forming the upside reversal swing. So you can see this upward action is greater than the previous swing down. This is reversal swing. So as you can see, the 129 will be not just the fib level, but also the confidence on the 4-hour time frame chart. If we will take a look at the targets that we have around it, so take a look at the hourly chart, we have 3 different targets stands around this area. First of all, take a look at this purple ABC bottom pattern. With this spike, market has hit the OP. XOP stands right here, 2874. Taking in a greater shape, we have this blue AB equals CD that stands at the same target. Finally, market here is forming very steep butterfly. So here was small pause, very short-term pause at the completion of the 127, but since we have this fast acceleration up, definitely it will proceed to the 1618. And 1618 stands at 128.84. So it means that somewhere between 128.80, 128.84, this will be the moment for a possible taking the short position with the stops above the major confidence resistance area here. If you want to see more guarantee of the reversal, when the market will hit this target, you could drop your time frame even more, for example, to the 15-minute chart, and watch for possible bearish reversal patterns. Or for more conservative traders, you even could wait when the downward action will start and trying to take the position on some retracement after it will start on some bearish continuation patterns. So it's different ways exist how it's better to take the position. It depends on your money management. So those who have the micro accounts, it's probably better to wait for more confirmations. Others who have more extended accounts probably could trade directly on the hourly chart. But anyway, currently within the few hours, we probably should get not bad stop for a bread and butter trade. So following this logic, if we assume that we are right and market indeed will turn down here, 618 support will be approximately 2750, maybe slightly higher, so you could calculate it by yourself. And potential of this trade really not bad. So it's approximately more than 100 pips. For the intraday trade, it's rather good. So that's my opinion, guys. Since we have some tricky moment on the euro currency dealing with the standing in relation to this one, to the dollar index, I think that the setup that we have on the Great British Pound is worth of our attention. We could focus on it because it brings no problems that we have on the year.